Hello. So I actually just got home. I watched the Insidious Out of the Farther. For everyone's reference or information, I actually like watching horror movies. I'm such a fan of Insidious. Yes, in the past, yung mga sumunod na nila is hindi ganun kaganda. Yes, previously medyo hindi ganun ka-exciting yung last one. But this one, I kinda liked it. Medyo nag-enjoy ako and I like the twists in this movie. There are some characters that you thought is hindi siya magiging main character but at the later time naging main character siya. And then you would see the rest of those that villain na included from the past episodes. And actually it's good, no? It's actually not really totally connected from the previous episodes, but there are some you would say na konektado siya, but the previous family somewhat hindi siya. So it is a really new character that is introduced in this movie. So for others actually finds it boring, but for me the twist in the story is kind of good. First thing pa lang of the movie is meron ng jump scare. And yes, I think I screamed for 3 or 4 times on the start of the movie. And I think nadagdagan siya sa end pa ng movie. So yes, I had fun. I think yeah, you should watch kasi others didn't like it, but I did. I liked it. And well, depende naman siguro sa mga taste natin, no? But for me, I like the story. And yeah, it's good because it didn't leave us hanging. All of the questions during the movie were actually answered. So for me, walang naiwan sa ere. Ayun lang. Thanks. Hope you had fun. The very quick review of the movie that I've watched. Bye.